In this example, we're going to see how to look up in a table which have like values in multiple columns. So we have a table with the name of first name and last name, and we want to look up based on first name plus last name. So for this purposes, we have to create one thing which is called a helper column. Because VLOOKUP can only look values in the first column of the table, we need to create that helper column as the first column of the table. So I have typed helper column over here equals to first name and space last name, and I have copied. So what I did is that I have pressed equals to C4 ampersand, this is a concatenation sign. I have given a space ampersand, this is a concatenation sign, and then D4. So as soon as I enter this, it will automatically concatenate the first name and the last name. And I just double click over here to copy all these things over at the bottom. So now I'm gonna type the name Sophia, for example, and for the last name I'm going to type Liam, for example. So I wanted to VLOOKUP this value. So what I did is equals to VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP this first name, then space last name, comma, table array. This is my table array. The first column is a helper column, comma, I need to pull 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I wanted to pull the fifth column. I type 5, comma 0. So you can see that it pulled the value of Sophia Liam, that is 581. If I type Jacob over here, and it will automatically copy that specific, pull the value of that specific Sophia Jacob. Thank you so much.